Hi guys, Happy New Year! It's Nina from VR Focus and I am going to do a little unboxing video of the TPCast. So some of you guys might know this because it makes virtual reality untethered, and this is exactly what everyone's been waiting for. So TPCast wireless adapter for the Oculus Rift. So this is specifically for the Oculus Rift. I'll be doing another video on how to set it up and how to put it together. But let's see what's inside the box. Let's slowly get rid of. So, TPCast. I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing video here. As far as I'm concerned, this would be what looks like the power bank. So, there it is. Let's unwrap it. There we go. So that's what we've got here. We've got a power cord. I'm just gonna, here we go. A little bit more like that. So there we go. We got the power bank, 2 USB ports and an input. Okay, if you guys can see power bank. Just put that to the side. And over here, this is a power box. So this is a TPCast power box. You can see 2 USB ports here. So that's pretty useful. This looks like what would be the transmitter. You can see 2 USB ports here as well. Fairly simple. And then this is, got another port here. Beijing TPCast Technologies. There we go. Got the PC transmitter right here. We've got the HMD receiver, which will be going onto the Oculus Rift. So I suppose these two would be communicating with each other. We have got the power box, which is where the power bank will most likely be going into. And we've got the portable power bank. So let's put it in here and see if they, yep. You can see it. There we go. So that's the first layer. Ooh, more goodies. So you've got a box here full of wires. Lots and lots of wires. I really dislike wires, but there you go. So here you can see it's got different labels to help us figure out what goes where. Cable here. We've got an HDMI cables, it looks like. Got the cable, which I don't know what it's going to be used for. We've got a nice little bag. And then we've got something to charge something with. I'm just going to put that to the side so you guys can see. So we've got this here, one of these, a strap, sort of a little cable bag, and then HDMI cable. Got an HDMI cable. Those are the wires so far. There's probably going to be more. Just going to get the router here. See what's inside here. Okay, so let's put these to the side for now. This will be the router. There we go, TPCast router. Got something else more. Got a charging cable for the router. That's always important. So we can charge it up here, the router. And we've got something else inside the box as well. Got another wire. So this is inside the box for the router. Let's just put these to the side. So this is what was inside the router box. Power cable, and another cable, which I suppose goes into the PC. So we'll be using that later. So for some reason my microphone stopped working when I was actually filming the rest of this, but I found 4 papers inside of the box. There is basically a startup guide which tells you what goes where, and additionally there were other papers which was all about the health and safety, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, safety and regulatory guide, and obviously a consumer warranty paper. The part that I found most helpful was actually the white part of the cover sleeve for the box, which has visuals for each element and tells you what is connected to what. I will be doing a setup guide for how to set up your TPCast for your Oculus Rift next, so please subscribe and check out VRFocus's channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please go to vrfocus.com if you want to find out more about virtual reality. I hope you enjoyed the video and what was inside the box and seeing all of the little nifty little wires and tidbits that you need to make virtual reality untethered. VRFocus will be at CES, so if you are looking to find out more about different products that will be coming out for virtual reality or mixed reality or augmented reality, please go and check that out. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow the channel and it's going to take a little bit of time, but I really appreciate your support. Please add any comments or questions that you have to the comment section below or tweet us because we do respond, and I will see you in our next video.